Frenchy's right here. Let's see what he's got for us. The song is what we do. 6 feet apart, man. You know how we do.
Check that shit out, bro. Social distance, that bitch.
I gotta stay 6 feet away from this bitch too. Hello. Skate.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. In the back, I got the grip to go with it, set it up, and then that box of shoes.
I got a box of shoes too. Pop the trunk, baby. Let's grab them things, boy.
That's how it goes.
Yo.
That's just how you do it.
Thanks for the drop off, boy. Ooh. So French hit me with the double whammy today. We've been waiting on these for so long. It took forever to find the supplier to do the holographic print, but we got it done. Thank you, Lady Luck Print Co. for making this happen. This is a fucking beauty. And then on top of that, brand new Anmly skate shoes. I've never heard of this brand. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it is. The side of the box, field label. Popping her open right now. Fresh fucking gum sole. Black. Clean on the bottom. Right here have the logo in there and printed. And their logo right here on the bottom as well. It reminds me a lot of the stickers that we had done just a short period of time ago, so I actually really connect with these. Let's pull the other one out of the box for you guys. This is awesome. I'm stoked to try a new pair of shoes. I haven't ridden a shoe that I haven't before in a very, very long time. I've skated DCs, I've skated Etnies, I've skated... The list goes on and on and on and on. And French found these guys online and just reached out to him and he was like, yo, let's run some shoes. Let's see what happens. We want to try some new shit. We want to try new brands. We want to check them out. We want to start doing these reviews. First shoe review on the Anmly Field Label. Black with gum sole. We got these bad boys in size 9. Let's try these bad boys on. Looking down at them, the gum sole doesn't look like it's too thick. They feel nice, not too tight, nice and thin. The width of them, one of the biggest things for me is that the shoelaces even, I don't know why I'm so OCD about it, but the shoelaces being too long or too short, these are perfect. I do still bunny ear tie my shoes for all of you wondering. I do that. I do that. Sick. Absolutely sick. Anmly Field Labels. Ooh, those bitches feel clean. I'm done. I'm gonna lose my my apartment. Oh man. I can't wait to set this up. So honestly, what's next? We're gonna set up our brand new holographic. Did you guys see that bad boy? Sauce. Absolute fucking sauce. We're gonna set her up, test out the brand new Anmly, and we'll let you guys know. We're gonna do a review. See you guys in the next video.